Eating in your dream is sometimes not a good thing. Before you disrespect and disregard that dream, I want you to do this. Seek for interpretation. At least know what the dream is talking about before you say it is because I am hungry. That is why I'm eating in my dream. There's no harm in seeking for interpretation. The second thing, if you realize that that dream is showing you that the devil is trying to initiate you into a demonic covenant, pray against it. Separate yourself from anything the devil is trying to initiate you into. All these witch doctors, the people that go to see witch doctors, sometimes they are told to put things inside food. Sometimes they will tell them, drink this in the middle of the night. Sometimes they will tell them, put this inside your husband's food. What makes you think you can just disregard such a dream? And then when things begin to happen, you'll go back to God and say, God, why me?